Turmeric prevents heart disease. Our heart continuously pumps blood and oxygen throughout our body, an organ we need to carefully take care of every day and maintain its health. Apart from smoking, high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol adds to the risk of heart disease. We also cannot ignore our unhealthy eating habits, which is one of the leading causes of heart disease. In our fast life, it sometimes seems like a Herculean task to keep a check on what we are eating every day. Yet, again, turmeric is our savior. Studies show that turmeric has the properties to unclog blocked arteries and even prevent formation of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease significantly. Consuming just a mere 4 grams of turmeric every day reduces the possibility of a heart attack. So, has all this information made you excited about starting your own morning turmeric water regime? Well, here is how you can quickly make yourself a cup of turmeric water yourself. Squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric into it and stir well. Your cup of turmeric water is ready to drink. And if you like it sweet, then add a spoon of organic honey and stir until it's mixed well. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home